Are you looking for the perfect place to register your next domain? With so many registrars out there, choosing the right one can make or break your online project. Today, I'm reviewing Dynadot to see if it really deserves the title of the best domain registrar. Stick around until the end because I'll cover its pros, cons, pricing, and my final verdict, so you can decide if Dynadot is the right fit for you. Dynadot is known for being a simple, affordable, and reliable registrar that appeals to both beginners and experienced website owners. One of the biggest strengths of Dynadot is its clean and easy-to-use interface. You don't get bombarded with upsells or hidden fees like on some other platforms. And that's a refreshing change. Their domain search is straightforward, and you can quickly register, transfer, or backorder domains with just a few clicks. Pricing is another strong point. Dynadot offers very competitive rates, often cheaper than big names like GoDaddy, and renewal prices are transparent, so there are no nasty surprises a year later. They also include free voice privacy with most domains, which means your personal information stays protected without you having to pay extra. Dynadot's platform also supports bulk domain management, making it ideal if you own multiple domains. Their marketplace is a great place to buy or sell domains, and they even have a website builder and email hosting add-ons if you want an all-in-one solution. But it's not all perfect. The main downside is that Dynadot doesn't have as many add-on services as some competitors. If you need advanced hosting packages or a full suite of marketing tools, you may need to use third-party services. Also, while their support is good, they don't have 24/7 live chat like some bigger registrars, which could be a deal breaker if you need immediate assistance at odd hours. Pros: competitive domain prices and transparent renewals. Free voice. Privacy protection. Clean, no upsell interface, bulk tools, and domain marketplace. Cons: limited extra services compared to full-service providers. No 24/7 live chat support. Final verdict. So, is Dynadot the best domain registrar? If you value affordability, simplicity, and privacy, Dynadot is an excellent choice and one of the most user-friendly registrars out there. But if you need a complete package with hosting, email, and round-the-clock support all in one place, you might want to pair Dynadot with other services. That's my honest review of Dynadot. If you're ready to grab your next domain, check the description for my special link so you can get started at the best price available. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews like this, and let me know in the comments which registrar you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.